Hello, my beautiful people. How are you today? I want to cook something. I opened the fridge. All that I found is that leftover chicken. I had that pie crust. I have milk. I have mushroom, onion, and I also have some spice in the pantry. So what are we going to do? We are going to cook something. So I want to take you on that journey with me. So we're going to transform this and make a delicious dish. Are you ready? So let's start cooking. So first thing first, I'm going to take the onion. Right, so please don't judge my cutting skill. I cannot hold the knife well, so don't judge. So what are we going to do? We're going to first I'm going to slice the onion. I'm going to cook them with the mushroom and the chicken. Okay? So we're going to slice the onion, and in the meantime I'm going to put that on the oven. Low fire, right? So we're going to slice the onion. Don't judge my cutting skill. It's going to be delicious. So I'm going to add that, put some butter, and then I'm going to cook that, and then I will add the mushroom. So let's do it. So I just added the onions, and I'm going to put some salt to let it cook with some salt and pepper. So now the onions are tender. I'm going to add the mushroom. As I said, I added salt and pepper. As the onion and mushroom is cooking, I'm going to shred the chicken, and I'm going to add that to the mixture. It's going to be really delicious. And just the onion and the mushroom, it's smelling so good already. So the onion and mushroom is cooked. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add the chicken, the shredded chicken. You should smell, it smells already so good. And I'm just going to stir it for a little while. So now the chicken, the onion, and the mushroom is well cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of flour, and it's like a bechamel, to create a bechamel sauce, because remember I told you I had the milk. So that's what I'm going to do now, because the flour will thicken the sauce that I'm going to create, and it will make like a bechamel sauce. Now I'm going to add the milk to create like that sauce. I should have stirred it as I'm making it. I don't want you don't want like a sauce really. It's just a little consistency, because what I'm going to create is a pie. I'm also added some Parmesan cheese that I have. It's like store Parmesan. It's not the real thing, but that's what I have. Remember what we said? We're going to create a dish with whatever leftover we have in our refrigerator. So that's the consistency that I'm looking for. It tastes so good. It smells so good. So we're going to put it in our pie crust. So our mixture is good. It tastes so good. It smells so good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the pie crust, and I'm going to put it in the dish, and then put this in there, bake for like 20 to 25 minutes, and then we're going to have the perfect dish. And you and I, we're going to test it. So I'm putting my pie crust here. As you can see, my other pie dish is somewhere. I cannot see it, so I'm just using that one. That's okay, right? And then we're going to put it, as you can see, that the mushroom, the chicken, it smells so good. Perfect consistency. Oh, that smells so good. If I had another pie crust, I would have covered it, but I don't, so I'm just going to bake it like that, and then we're going to eat it just like that. Because if I had another pie crust, I would cover it, put egg wash on it, but that's all we have. So I preheating the oven 375, and when it's good, I'm going to put it on it, and I will show you the final result. Our pie is done, so now let's look at this baby. Oh, look at this baby. Isn't it gorgeous? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it sit for a minute, and then we're going to give it a taste. So I let the pie cool a little bit. Now we're going to have our first bite. It's still a little bit hot. And when I tell you the flavor is like, it's really smells so good. Look at this. Perfect. So now we are going to taste, you and I. It's perfect. I hope you give it a try and you let me know. Okay, it's really good. It's just mushroom, chicken. Let's taste this. It is so good. Delicious. You have to give it a try and let me know. It is perfect. Delicious. Let me know.